Good day everyone. I'm John Patrick Emistoy going and give you an example about differentiation. So this is my example. H quantity of t is equal to 2x to the fifth plus t plus t to the second power minus 5 all over t squared. As with the first part, we just can differentiate the numerator and the denominator and put it back together as a fraction. Again, if you are not sure, believe this, hold until the next section as we'll take in more details. Look at this example. H, quantity of t, is equal to 2t to the fifth power all over t squared minus t squared all over t squared minus 5 all over t squared is equal to 2 plus 2t plus to the third power plus 1 minus 5 t squared. We can simplify this rational expression, however, as follows. This is the function that we can differentiate. So the answer of this is equal to h prime is equal to t, quantity of t is equal to 6 x to the squared plus 10 t to the negative cube. This is how we differentiate this given function. Again, good day and welcome. Just subscribe.